Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in. So in this episode we're going to look at another easy mod that you can do on your 2nd-gen Frontier or Navara, and that is the intercooler pipe. So that's the hot side. So I'll just run you through how that install went, and then we actually look at if it's improved the performance of the vehicle, and I'll give you my thoughts on it. So stick around. Okay, so this is the original stock hose. It's in a bit of a mess at the moment, trying to stop the expansion and ballooning that I've been getting, and been getting a lot of lag problems because of this. So you can just see I've got a whole bunch of clamps that are restricting the expansion, and I've had that for a couple of months now. So I've decided to go with this Plasmaman solid intercooler pipe, Australian import, and it was about £170, and it comes with the connection coupler as well. So the first thing to do to remove the old hose is to just prise the circlips off. They're on either end. They should come away pretty easily. Also, you're going to have to remove the, I believe it's the turbo silencer or muffler near the turbo end. They have a couple of hose clamps to remove, and also there are a couple of bolts that you need to undo that are near the engine body. So just undoing those, very straightforward. They should come up pretty easily, and that will allow you to remove the silencer. So that's the old stock hose out now. Just checking how much oil is going in here. It's not too bad really. It's been about a year now since I did a full clean of the intercooler system, so that's holding up pretty well. And this is the supplied Plasmaman coupling hose that goes near the turbo end, and also you get a supplied circlip for the intercooler end, which goes down there. So that's all straightforward. So just test fitting that this coupling hose is gonna fit well. So that's looking all good. So I'll tighten down those clamps in a moment, and also just making sure the circlip is working well and is gonna fit in and lock down. Those hose clamps tightened up now near the turbo end. That's all good and proper. And down this end, just got to make sure that circlip is in properly and you've got the pipe fitted down well. They can tend to pop out easily. So just make sure you hear a click and pull up on the intercooler pipe. If it doesn't move up, then it's installed properly. Alright, so that was a very straightforward, easy upgrade, putting in the intercooler by Plasmaman. So the question is, has it improved the performance? As I mentioned before, while doing that install, the reason why I wanted to do it was because I was getting that expansion from the stock hose, and it was causing some lag, especially in low gear. So I can actually tell you that there is an improvement. So definitely not getting that lag anymore. So let's see if I can just pull away here. Yeah, it's definitely more power there. It's just immediate now. So unlike before, when I had the stock hose in, you sort of put your foot down on the pedal and it almost feels like you're being held back. There's that's quite a delay it was before, but with this new pipe in, I can really tell there is a difference. So that's really good. So I can only imagine, doing a full intercooler upgrade is going to make a huge difference. So I know that Plasmaman do the cold side pipe, so I've only done the hot side so far, and that's made a big difference. So maybe you know, you could probably build on that really. If you go for doing the hot side yourself, and then, you know, you think you're looking for a bit more response, you could get their cold side pipe, and I believe they also do a larger intercooler as well. But I'm happy with this so far. Much better response, and it's really good, because sometimes you need to pull away, you know, and you don't want that lack of response if you need to get moving quick. So I can tell in low gear there's definitely a bit more power as well. So I've got some other modifications that I've done to the engine already. I won't go into today. But I think just by, you know, adding to the build more and more, they all start to kind of come together and work together. So I'm really happy with this. Yes, I definitely recommend the Plasmaman. It's a solid hot side intercooler pipe, so it might work for you if you've got the 2ndGen Pathfinder. Obviously the D40 2ndGen, it might work for you if you've also got the Frontier model. I'm not sure, because I think a lot of the Frontiers in the US are petrol engines, not like my Navara here is a turbo diesel. So, but yeah, definitely recommend this mod, and appreciate you watching. Take care everyone, and I'll catch you on the next one.